Bring a popular Malaysian sidewalk dish home and make your own cendol. I promise you, it will be worth it. Cut up 10 pieces of pandan leaves. And blend them with 800 ml of water. Strain and set aside. In a wok, combine 1 cup of rice flour, half a cup of tapioca starch, a pinch of salt, and the pandan juice. Stir constantly over medium heat. Keeping the mixture moving will avoid it from settling and burning. Cook until it becomes thick and solid. As the mixture thickens, it will become heavier and denser. This may require a little bit of extra energy. Turn off the heat. Prepare a large bowl of ice-cold water. Over the bowl, place the mixture into a strainer and hard press the mixture through the holes and into the water. This will be another calorie burner activity. But we're almost there, I promise. Scoop the mixture out and keep in a container. This cendol can be stored in a fridge for up to 1 month. It can also be used for pudding, jelly, or even as ice cream topping. Now, the palm sugar syrup. Mix 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of sugar, 1 whole pandan leaf, 2 cups of water, and 250 grams palm sugar, all in a pot over medium-high heat. Cook until everything is melted and well combined. Next is the coconut milk. Mix 600 ml of coconut milk, 400 ml of water, and a pinch of salt. In your favorite bowl, scoop a handful of ice cubes, a tablespoon of cendol, a tablespoon of kidney beans, 2 tablespoons of palm sugar syrup, and coconut milk. And the dish is ready to serve. Sweet, cold, and refreshing. This dish tastes just as good at home as much as it does on the street.